Hi everyone. So this video is about a trade which we took in Usdchf today, and the trade area was very simple. So if you are looking this in monthly chart, we can see price has nicely rejected from this monthly CB and it has closed down. So with this narrative, we can easily expect that okay, price can move further downwards and it can take out this previous monthly low. So this was our initial narrative, and we can see that our immediate DOL or monthly DOL is previous monthly low. So we are planning for short trades. Okay, now we are going to weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we can see that price is steadily going downwards after it got a rejection from this weekly bearish OB. So this is monthly FEG, and within that we are seeing this weekly bearish OB, and you can see price is steadily rejecting downwards, and our recent bearish OB can be taken as this one. This is our recent weekly bearish OB, and the price is rejecting from that. So this also further confirms that okay, price is willing to move downwards, and we can plan for short entries. And our immediate targets will be these lows, these swing lows. Okay. So now if you are going to daily, yeah. So this is the case. In daily, if you are seeing it, price was in greater consolidation inside this entire big range. So within this high and within this low, price was steadily consolidating within this levels, and on last week we can see it was a drastic rejection from downwards. Okay, so as soon as this FPG has formed, it confirmed the aggressiveness by big players who are willing to short. So after so if you are looking at the recent price action, here we can see that price has rejected from this FPG and it has closed downwards. So this further confirms that this is our valid daily bearish OB. Okay, so our immediate or the recent key level is this daily bearish OB. So for today, what we did was we were planning for short entries once price taps into this daily bearish OB, and we can plan for shorts, aiming for the previous day low and this daily swing lows. Okay, so if you're going to 4 hour now, yeah. So the interesting part was as soon as that price rejected yesterday, it was an CPI day. So as soon as price got rejected from this daily FEG, we saw this 4 hour bearish OB form under formation. So yesterday we placed a limit order here and we were waiting for the price to tap in, but it went down aggressively. So today also we were waiting for the price to tap into this 4 hour bearish OB, but it didn't happen. But meanwhile, we got this daily bearish OB in between. So that 4 hour OB was somewhere here, and below that we have this higher time frame key level, which is daily bearish OB. So when comparing to while comparing 4 hour OB and with daily OB is the higher time frame key level. So obviously price will respect the higher time frame key level, and we were thinking like okay, so it will be highly unlikely for the price to poke deeper inside this till this 4 hour OB, and there is high chance for the price to get respected from this daily bearish OB and go downwards. So what happened is as soon as price shows some kind of rejection in this daily bearish OB by forming 1 hour CSD, we planned for taking a trade, but unfortunately it was an SLT. So this was what happened. So here you can see this is our daily bearish OB, and during London lunchtime, you can see price has poked into this daily bearish OB, the body of the daily bearish OB, and it has shown some nice rejection here. So this doji candle became our 1 hour CSD, which is nothing but 1 hour OB. So as usual, as per our system, we planned to take a short entry by placing a limit order here, and our SL was here, and we were targeting a previous day low, which was an easy 1:2 or 2.5 trade. So this is what our game plan was initially, but unfortunately, what happened is price was climbing higher and it took out our SL. And the another interesting part was it didn't even trigger this forward bearish OB. It just missed by 1 pip, I guess. Yeah, here you can see it was missed by 1 pip, and again one more 1 hour CSD got formed here. So yeah, so we aren't going to chase the price anyhow. Though we were planning, though we had a limit order placed at this price level, it didn't trigger. So still that limit order is intact and we haven't cancelled it yet. But if we are getting a forward bearish OB, which is formed from this forward FEG or daily bearish OB, then probably we'll be planning to cancel this limit order and we'll place a fresh short order from this 4 hour OB and we'll be aiming for those lows. So till so far the narrative is not yet changed. Still we are in a bearish stance, but there could be days or there could be situations where we need to take a calculated loss so that we cannot take a chance to miss any move, right? This is a possibility. Price can still got reacted from this daily bearish OB and it can go down for directly. But in this case, it gave a chance. We took a calculated SL and we were waiting for one more entry because if you see in daily or 4 hour, price haven't swept any higher time frame key level below. You can see all the swing lows are nothing but liquidity being engineered. So once the big players pulled or managed to pick up sufficient liquidity from this buy side level, then immediately price will start to spool off. But before this drastic spooling happens, we should not take aggressive or revenge trades during this consolidation process. This is where most of the people fail. So yeah, we took a calculated SL already. While before taking the trade, we planned it to take this SL. Even if this is an SL hit, we will plan for a secondary trade, which can happen even if it taps any higher time key level like this daily bearish OB or this 4 hour OB. So yeah, guys. So this is our game plan, and this is what we took today. And this trade was an SL hit, and I will show you that stats as well. Wait a minute. Yeah, yeah. If you are seeing here, that's below. Yeah. So this was trade. This trade was taken in our 10K account, and we risked around $80. And yeah, it was a 0.8% loss. And yeah, that's all for this trade. And I will come back again with some other trade setup. Yeah, thank you.